We are very focused with people who are working in the office. We have
Mm-mm.
housewives also suffering mentally when it comes to juggling, taking care of their toddlers. And that's really tough. It's tough to have kids at home. It's tough to take care of them, especially if they're in their terrible twos. And let's say you have 3 children, 5 children. So I want to say my tips for women, regardless if you are
Yeah.
working in the office or you are a housewife or you're doing both. You're juggling pretty much being a leader, being being a mom, being a parent, and you also want to take care of your body. So probably you're also doing something physically in your body, like you go running and all that. One thing I want to advise for women out there is number one is that always think that you are enough. We need to stop competing with other people and stop comparing our lives with other people.